Hello students, welcome to my channel Brothers Academy. Today we will talk about chapter 5, part 5, PowerPoint presentation tools. In today's video, we will discuss the questions raised in the last session, followed by one of the features of PowerPoint, which is Slide Master. Finally, we will end the session with a short quiz. So let's begin. The questions which we raised in the last session, the first one was rehearse timing is ideal for creating a self-running presentation. Is it true or false? And the answer is true. Yes, it is ideal for creating a self-running presentation. The next one, which presentation view displays the running time of each slide in your presentation? And the answer is slide sorter view. Okay, now let's begin with today's session. What is a slide master? Slide masters are basically designed to create great looking presentation in less time without a lot of effort. Basically, when you want all your slides to contain the same fonts, background, effects, and images, such as logos, then you can make those changes to the slide master and they will be applied to all your slide. Okay. Now, where this option is available, this option is available in the View tab. Now, let us take a look how. So we understood about the slide master theoretically. Now, practically, let us take a look in the PowerPoint how the slide master actually works, and when we apply these changes to the slide master, how those are applied to all the individual slides. Student, now let us take a look how this slide master works. I have taken this sample presentation of bakes and cakes. I love cakes. I'm sure you all love cakes too. So this company bakes and cakes, sells cakes, and this is the sample cakes which, they sell. Now, let's say you want to change the font of this particular presentation. As of now, the font is this one, and you want to change the font. So rather than going to each slide and then changing the font, we can do so via the slide master at one go. Let us see how this works. Now you need to click on the View tab. Okay. In the Masters Views group, click on Slide Master. Okay. And in the fonts group here, you can select this particular font, Gothic font. Okay. And now click the Close Master View. You can also change the colors and effects as well. And this will be applied to all the slides. Now we have changed the font, close the master view, and you can see our font has changed in all the slides. So this way, we have changed the fonts of all the slides in just one go through the slide master. Okay. Now let's say you want to add the logo of cakes and bakes. Let's say this is the logo and you want to add the logo to all the slides. Okay. So let's say I'm just copying this particular logo and go to the View tab in the slide masters. Okay, and now you can paste the logo at the bottom. Okay, and click Close Master View, and you can see the logo has come on each and every slide. Now you can just remove it from there. So this way you have applied the logos to all the slides. So Slide Master is very helpful when you want all your slides to contain the same fonts as we saw, background, effects, and images such as logos. So you can make those changes to the Slide Master and they will be applied to all your slides. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Students, we learned about Slide Master. Now time for a short quiz. The first question which I have for you is Slide Master option is available in which tab? And the next one, when you make changes to the dash, they will be applied to all the slides of the presentation. Okay. The answer of these questions we will discuss in our next video. Thank you students for your time. Please go through the video thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, please post it in the comment section. I will talk to you soon in our next video.